How to make this yummy maha blanca. First, we need coco mama or the real kakang gata. But here, I have used coco mama. And then, of course, we need cornstarch. 4 cups of this is good. And then 4 cups of water. Then we need Jersey Evap, Cowbell Condense, UFC Whole Corn Kernel, Mega Prime Cream Style Corn, and Eden Cheese. Okay, so first is you're going to put Coco Mama in the casserole and with evap and condense. And then after that, you mix them. And then after that, you will add the whole corn kernel and the cream style corn. And then after this, you mix cornstarch with water. 4 cups of cornstarch and 4 cups of water. And then grate cheese, Eden cheese, about 1/4 of this Eden cheese. And then put it then, you will mix them all together. Then after mixing, you can now put them in the fire and then let it become thick. And then that's all. It's finished. You may transfer it right away so that it will not let you have hard time to put it in the container if it thickens. So that's it. So that is Maha Blanca Yummy Filipino Delicacy. Thank you for watching.